By popular request, properties from 150,000 and below. Starting off, we have Del Rio, which is currently in pre-sale stages from 110,000 and is located just 10 minutes from Jaco Beach and less than 5 minutes to Herradura Beach and Los Sueños Marina. From there, we dive straight into Foresta Residences. Phase 2 is due to be complete and ready for move-in by mid-October. Great location and right at 1 mile to Jaco Beach and Town Center. Remember, the September special is at $139,500. La Vereda is another great property and less than 3 years old. This particular unit was taken off the market because it was running so well with long-term rentals at $1,100 per month. Now we're calling it a pocket listing. This full turnkey product can be yours for right at $150,000. Costa Linda, with really nice large floor plans, occasionally has properties under the $150,000 mark. And at the time of this video, we have 2 properties under $150,000, with one being at $115,000. Oceano is a brand new listing with properties from $139,000. This full turnkey property has a bit of everything: reception area, restaurant with full service bar, pool, gym, spa area, plus it's pet friendly. Keep an eye out for the Oceano promotional video, which will be up and running very soon. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. Properties at $150,000 and below. This complex, as you see, is just absolutely beautiful. They've got great surroundings and great grounds. As you see throughout the video, that you would have seen that they've got their own restaurant, their own bar, and a gymnasium even. So make sure that you check out some of the links below. And if it's not a property that you like, and if you're looking for something a little bit different, we've got a questionnaire too that you can fill out. All the links are below. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you see other videos that we may have to offer you.